My name's Jamie Richardson from White Castle. As chair of the board of the Ohio Restaurant Association, I'd like to invite restaurateurs everywhere to come and join us at the Mid-America Restaurant Expo. It's going to be an amazing time in terms of fellowship, but also learning, understanding, and nourishment that we give to one another as we spot the latest trends, understand the latest technology, and grow together.
People in the restaurant and food service industry should plan to attend this exciting event because it is the only show in the state of Ohio that caters to the restaurant and food service industry, with 300 exhibitors and will boast over 4,000 attendees.
The Mid-American Restaurant Expo is the one to attend for myself and my company is because it brings everything to you. Proof of that is having one of the top chefs in all of the country to be a keynote speaker here. Michael Simon's a keynote speaker this year, so that right there tells you it's a big deal in the restaurant industry when someone of that caliber is here speaking to you and giving out his secrets.